Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Welcome to the channel Literature Outstanding. Be positive, be hopeful in your lives. In this video, I'm going to give you a review of a very beautiful poem. It's an English poem and the name of the poem is The Rain by William Davies. It's one of the beautiful poems on the topic of rain. It not only describes the beauty and music of rain, but it also carries a very deep message for its reader. That's why I'm going to make it part of my channel Literature Outstanding. Hope you will like it. In this video, first I will read the beautiful poetry of this poem, which is very simple and very easy to understand even for a simple reader. And later on, I will give you a short and simple review of this poem. Hope you will like it. So let's start the video. But before that, those who are new to this channel, kindly subscribe Literature Outstanding and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future videos. So let's start the video and first enjoy the beautiful poetry of this poem, The Rain by W.H. Davies. I hear leaves drinking rain, I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear, these green leaves drinking near. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. You have noticed that in this video I have captured for you the beauty of rain with original rain sound and rain music. So this was the beautiful poetry of poem The Rain by William Davies. Hope you like it, and now time for its review. In review, first I want to discuss the title of the poem, which is The Rain, and it's very simple title. Of course, the poem is about rain and the poet is expressing some of his experience during rain. And we could see that the poet remained very successful in expressing and sharing his experience about rain. Through this poem, he not only describes the music of rain, beauty of rain, but also he gives a very deep and very thought-provoking message to his readers, because this poem is saturated with symbols and similes. So let's decode those symbols. Before describing these symbols, I just want to share some information about the life and background of the poet so you can understand this poem in better way. Actually, William Davies was a poor person and a homeless person also. He spent the life of a poor person. Moreover, he had so much traveling experience in his life. And it was his life condition which gave him an opportunity to live very close to the nature. That's why he wrote many poems on the topic of nature, and those poems are actually a proof that this is the person who spent many days and many nights of his life in the lap of nature and studied the nature very closely. The time period when William Davies composed this poem, actually that was the time when Industrial Revolution was on its peak, and there was a huge difference between poor and rich people in this society. And through this poem, actually William Davies is trying to present that difference in society. Rain is actually the main symbol of the poem, and rain is here symbolizing the money, wealth, resources in the society. Top leaves are actually the symbol of rich people, resourceful people who find more opportunities to enjoy the wealth and resources of the society. While the bottom leaves are symbol of poor people who are totally on the mercy of rich people. If rich people will leave something, some resources for them, then they can enjoy even the basic necessities of their life. At the end of the poem is very optimistic and hopeful, because the poet says that time will change. It will never remain same, because when the sun will shine, rain will stop, there will be sunlight everywhere, and then each and every sphere of life in each and every sect of the society can enjoy the resources and wealth of the society. And yes, This is the very, very inspiring ending of the poem. And this is the same message Literature Outstanding is trying to promote. Be positive, be hopeful in your lives. And sun in the poem is actually the symbol of optimism and hope. Another thing I want to appreciate about this poem is the simple diction of the poem. The diction, vocabulary of the poem is very, very simple. It's very easy to understand even for a common reader. Use of symbolism is very, very appropriate. This poem proves William Davies a great lover of nature who has studied nature very closely. Moreover, he is using an aspect of nature for presenting a bitter reality of life. Here I can recall another poet, another lover of nature, Wordsworth. Wordsworth is also a poet of nature, a lover of nature, a staunch lover of nature. I have also reviewed his world-famous piece of literature, Daffodil, and you can find that video on this channel. You can go and watch that video also. And here I will end the review of this poem. Hope you will like it. Very soon I will upload the Urdu dubbing of this video, which is a tradition of Literature Outstanding. Many of the viewers of this channel understand Urdu and they love to watch Urdu videos on this channel. That's why I will also upload the Urdu dubbing of this video very, very soon. Here I will end my video. At the end, I just want to thank you once again. If you like this effort, please like it, share it to your friends and family. Also leave a nice comment or some suggestion if you want. And if you have not subscribed the channel Literature Outstanding yet, please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future videos. Once again, thank you so much and be positive, be hopeful in your lives.